Ever find yourself squinting at your Venmo transaction history, trying to remember if that payment was for groceries or that awesome new logo design you commissioned? If you're using Venmo for your business, you're probably nodding your head right now. While Venmo is super convenient for quick personal transactions, its simplicity can become a bit of a headache when it comes to keeping your business finances organized. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. Many small business owners and freelancers appreciate Venmo's ease of use but struggle with separating and tracking those crucial business payments. The good news is, with a few smart strategies and maybe a little help from some digital tools, you can absolutely get a handle on your Venmo business transactions. Think about it, accurately tracking your income and expenses is the backbone of any successful business. It's not just about knowing how much money is coming in and going out, it's about understanding your profitability, making informed financial decisions, and staying compliant with tax regulations. Mixing personal and business transactions in your Venmo feed can quickly turn into a bookkeeping nightmare, making tax season feel like navigating a dense jungle without a map. So, how do you bring order to this potential chaos? How do you transform your Venmo activity from a confusing jumble into clear, actionable financial data? That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We'll explore practical methods, from utilizing Venmo's built-in features to leveraging external tools, to help you effectively track your business payments and gain better control over your business finances. First things first, let's talk about the most basic, yet often overlooked, step, designating your Venmo transactions. Venmo offers a simple way to mark transactions as either personal or business. This is your first line of defense against a tangled financial web. Whenever you receive or make a business-related payment, take that extra second to tap on the transaction and select the business option. This simple act helps categorize your transactions within the Venmo app itself. While it might not be a comprehensive accounting solution, it's a significant step towards separating your personal and business finances. To make this even more effective, get into the habit of adding clear and descriptive notes to each business transaction. Instead of just seeing payment from a customer 123, add details like payment for website design project invoice number 101 or materials for client X. These notes act as mini reminders, providing context that will be invaluable when you're reviewing your transactions later. Now, while tagging and adding notes within Venmo is helpful, it's not a foolproof system for robust business tracking. This brings us to our next strategy, regularly exporting your Venmo transaction history. Venmo allows you to export your transaction data in CSV, separated values, format. This is where things start to get more powerful. A CSV file essentially provides a spreadsheet view of all your transactions, including dates, amounts, sender/receiver information, and those all-important notes you've been adding. To export your transaction history, you'll typically need to do this through the Venmo website. Look for settings or statements, and you should find an option to export your transaction history within a specified date range. Make it a regular habit, perhaps weekly or monthly, to export this data. Once you have your CSV file, you can open it in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. Here, you can further organize and analyze your business transactions. You can filter by transaction type, payments received versus payments sent, categorize them based on your notes, and even perform basic calculations like totaling your monthly income or expenses. However, manually manipulating spreadsheets can be time-consuming and prone to errors. This is where the next level of tracking comes in, integrating Venmo with accounting software. Many popular accounting software platforms, designed specifically for small businesses, offer integrations with services like Venmo. These integrations can automate the process of importing your Venmo business transactions directly into your accounting system. Imagine this: instead of manually exporting CSV files and then importing them into your accounting software, your Venmo business transactions seamlessly flow into your books. This saves you time, reduces the risk of data entry errors, and provides a more holistic view of your business finances alongside your bank accounts and other payment processors. Explore the integrations offered by your accounting software. Platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, and Wave often have options to connect your Venmo business profile. Setting up these integrations usually involves linking your Venmo account to your accounting software and granting it permission to access your transaction data. Once integrated, you can typically set up rules and categories within your accounting software to automatically classify your Venmo transactions. For example, payments received with the Note website design could be automatically categorized as service income. This level of automation can significantly streamline your bookkeeping process. If you're not quite ready for full-fledged accounting software, or if your needs are simpler, consider using dedicated budgeting or expense tracking apps that offer Venmo integration. These apps often provide a user-friendly interface for categorizing transactions, tracking spending, and generating reports. While they might not have all the features of accounting software, they can be a great stepping stone for better financial organization. Another crucial aspect of tracking Venmo business payments is maintaining clear communication with your clients and vendors. When requesting or sending payments, be explicit about what the payment is for. Referencing invoice numbers or project names in your Venmo descriptions not only helps you with tracking but also ensures clarity for the other party involved. For example, instead of just saying payment, you could say payment for graphic design services, invoice number 202. This level of detail leaves no room for ambiguity and makes reconciliation much easier down the line. Furthermore, if you frequently work with the same clients or vendors, consider establishing a consistent naming convention for your Venmo transactions. This will make it easier to filter and identify recurring payments in your transaction history. Beyond digital tools and careful labeling, it's also important to establish a consistent workflow for managing your Venmo business payments. This might involve setting aside a specific time each week or month to review your Venmo transactions, categorize them, and reconcile them with your other financial records. Treat your Venmo business activity with the same level of diligence you would your traditional bank accounts. Don't let transactions pile up without review. Regular monitoring will help you catch any discrepancies, identify trends in your income and expenses, and ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Finally, let's touch upon the importance of understanding Venmo's limitations for business use. While Venmo offers a business profile option with some added features, it's essential to remember that it was initially designed for personal transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.